Morning students, have a nice day. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about a new chapter. Before entering to the chapter, I would like to inform you, I used to inform you that last class we are discussed the topic The Fun They Had, Isaac Asimov. Last class we have discussed that. Then after that there are two chapters, means unit 2 section 3, the way through the woods, that is omitted one. Then and unit 3 section 1, in conversation with J.K. Rowling, these two chapters is omitted. Okay, there are 3 chapters omitted in this term 1, part 1, that is unit 1 section 3, in the bazaars of Hyderabad, and unit 2 section 3, the way through the woods. Then unit 3 section 1, in conversation with J.K. Rowling. So omitted means it will not come for the exam. Okay. Then today we are going to discuss about the new chapter. Dorothy is a girl in the land of the Munchkins. It's a Munchkins. Dorothy in the land of the Munchkins, written by L. Frank Baum. L. Frank Baum. This is the part of, or this story apart from the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum. It's a big story. But in this chapter, it is taken from some of the part from the story. Okay. First we can go through the profile. L. Frank Baum, born in New York in 1856, gained fame as a successful writer of children's stories. In 1897, he published his first best-selling children's book, Mother Goose, in prose. In he wrote first. He is successful writer of children's stories. He is famous as successful writer of children's stories. And in 1897, he published the first selling children's book named Mother Goose in prose. Then in 1899, he realized Father Goose, his book, a collection of nonsense poetry which became the best-selling children's book of the year. His best-selling book of the year become which one? His book, a collection of nonsense poetry. Okay. In 90,000, Baum and an illustrator, W. Denslow, produced the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Wonderful Wizard of Oz. That is mentioned. You should understand that. That is the prose. The story of today we are going to learn. It is apart from this prose. The book was a best-selling children's book for 2 years after its initial publication. After publication of this book, which one? Wonderful Wizard of Oz, is become the best-selling book of 2 years. Baum's highly successful fairy tale was produced as a successful Broadway musical and later as a film. The Wizard novel, The Wizard of Oz, went on to become one of the most watched movies in the history of cinema. Baum wrote 55 novels, including 9 other fantasy novels, about 83 short stories, over 200 poems, and an unknown number of drama scripts. Okay, these are the profile of the poetry, the author. Okay, today we can go through the chapter. First one, Dorothy in the land of the Munchkins. This is the experience of a girl. Experience of a girl. Dorothy. Dorothy means the girl. Dorothy sat up and noticed that the house was not moving, nor was it dark, for the bright sunshine came in at the window, flooding the little room. She sprang from her bed excitedly and with Toto. Toto means dog. At her heels, ran and opened the door. The little girl gave a cry of amazement, her eyes growing bigger and bigger at the wonderful sights she saw everywhere around her. The cyclone had set the house down very gently in the midst of the country of marvelous beauty. There were stately trees bearing rich and luscious fruits. Band of gorgeous flowers were on very hand, and birds with rare and brilliant plumage sang and fluttered in the trees and bushes. A little way off was a small brook, rushing and sparkling along between green banks. Here, the Dorothy, his house was taken by a storm, by a strong wind, and put in a place. When he woke up, darkness, the house is not moving. He opened his eyes, he looked, his house is not moving now. There. Then the sunshine, the light is coming through the window. Means it's morning. He became happy. He cried, means here with happy he cried. Oh, I am safe. Like. Then the situation, the surrounding of the house was put in, is very beautiful. Naturally very beautiful. While she stood looking eagerly at the strange and beautiful sights, she noticed coming towards her a group of the curious people. Curious means unusual, unknown. People she had ever seen. They were not as big as the grown folk she had always been used to, but neither were they small. In fact, they seemed about as tall as Dorothy, who was a well-grown child for her age, although they looked many years old. Then he looked the side. At the time, the strange pupils are coming. But when looking, they are small. But like Dorothy, but they seemed that they are aged one. Okay. There were men and one a woman. Three were men and one a woman. They are coming 4. 3 men and 1 woman. And all were oddly dressed. They wore round hats with little bells around the brims that tinkled sweetly as they moved. Two of men had birds, but the little woman was doubtless much older. Her face was covered with wrinkles. Wrinkles means that plight, fold. And the aged people's face, what kind of face? It is tingled, that like. Wrinkled. Her hair was nearly white. Hair is white. And she walked rather stiffly. The men and this woman is coming. They are dressed very strange dress. Oddly dressed they wear. And they wear the hat, round the hat. There is a bell. When they are moving, that bell is ringing. Then When these people drew near the house where Dorothy was standing in the doorway, they paused and whispered among themselves as if afraid to come further. But the little old woman walked up to Dorothy, made a low bow, and said in a sweet voice, they come and they just paused there and they whispered. Dorothy said that they are afraid to come further, to come here. But after some time, the woman softly come to them. You are welcome, most noble sorceress. Sorceress means that sorceress means what the religious leaders have treating. You know that we are going to the precious in the masjid that religious persons they are when we are when we have some sort of problems, we will give a needle, they will preach us, yeah, that they preach us by oathing, by by preaching the Qurans, the ayah, and give us, we will tie in neck, and that persons we are sorcerers. To the land of the Munchkins, we are so grateful to you for having killed with wicked witch of these. Wicked means very cruel. Witch means same as sorceress. We are discussed now sorceress of the east, and for setting our people free from bondage. Bondage means they are slave. They are the wicked witch was bounded, was arrested. The people were cruelly ruled by this witch. I hope you are get me. Means here he says that there is a cruel ruler, cruel witch, who have been ruling in his throne, and people were very unhappy. People are very tired, where they are bounded, they are like arrested in the jail. Dorothy listened to this speech with wonder. What could the little woman possibly means? This woman says that to Dorothy, oh, great man, wonderful. I thank you. Why this cruel witch, the cruel witch is dead. They said that, the woman said that you are killed him. Whom? This cruel wicked witch. Then thank you to this Dorothy. But Dorothy is not killed him. That what could the little woman possibly mean by calling her a sorceress and saying she had killed the wicked witch of the east? Dorothy was an innocent, harmless little girl who had been carried by a cyclone many miles from home, and she had never killed anything in all her life. I already said to you now, this old woman said to Dorothy that you killed these cruel witches, and now the people very happy. But this Dorothy is very little girl, then she is innocent. She didn't kill anybody till now. Very innocent one. Dorothy said with a hesitation, you are very kind. And Dorothy replied to the old woman that you are kind, but there must be some mistake. You said some mistake. You are good, but you said some mistake. What is? I have not killed anything. I have not killed anybody. Dorothy said, I have not killed anybody. Your house did? Anyway, replied the little old woman with a laugh, and that is the same thing. See, she continued, pointing to the corner of the house. Means, he says that there is a feet is there. She says that your home is, that Dorothy says, my home carried by a strong wind and put here. That's only. I didn't kill anybody. Then the woman says that the same thing. See the continued pointing to the corner of the house. He pointing the corner of the house. See, that is one. Then that is Dorothy looked and gave a little cry of fright. Sorry. There are her 2 feet still sticking out from under a block wood. There are 2 feet is there. 2 feet is there. But oh dear. Sorry. Dorothy looked and gave a little cry of fright. There indeed 2 feet were sticking out, showed in silver shoes with pointed toes. Oh, she afraid. There is a 2 feet with shoes. That weird as shoes. That is, oh dear, cried Dorothy, clasping her hands together in Dimsy. With fear, he tied his hands together and cried. The house must have fallen on her, but who was she? That this house come and fallen where? In this cruel witch. This house, this house was taken by a wind and they come and put in in this witches. Then witches died. Then look there. That is a feet is that can see like this. Oh, who is that? Dorothy feared. And who is that? I don't know. Dorothy said. Then she was the wicked witch of the east, as I said. Then older woman said that I informed you now that wickeded witch. That is that. Answered the little woman. She has held all the Muckins in bondage for many years and often made them slave for her night and day. Now they are all set free and are very grateful to you for the favor. Who are the Muckins? Required Dorothy. They are the people who lived in land in this land of the east where the wicked witch ruled. Are you Munchkins? Asked Dorothy. No, but I am their friend. When they saw the witch of the east was dead, the Munchkins sent a swift messenger to me, and I come at once. I am the witch of the north. Oh, gracious! Cried Dorothy. Are you a real witch? Yes, indeed, answered the little woman. But I am good witch, and the people love me. I am not as powerful as the witch was who ruled here, or I should have set the people free myself. Then Dorothy asked that Dorothy asked that this old woman said that by killing this rich wicked witch, the people have free. People become free from the rule of this cruel person. And the Dorothy asked to woman, "You are Muckins? Who is Muckins?" Muckins means the people who lived in the land of East, where the wicked witch ruled. Then Dorothy asked to her that, "Are you Muckins?" No, I am not. I am their friend. I am the good witch. I have not such capacity to rule them. I am the real and good witches who the people love me. There were only 4 witches in all the land of Oz. There are only 4 witches. Witches, you know? Okay. Witches means this, the meaning Mandravadi. Okay. Witches in all the land of Oz, and two of them, those who live in the north and the south, are good witches. Though means there were only 4 witches in all the land of Oz, and two of them, those who live in the north and the south, are good witches. Those who dwelt in the east, dwelt means live in the east and the west, wicked witch in all the land of Oz, the one who lives in the west. There are 4 witches, 2 good, 2 bad. One is died, one is in the west. But said Dorothy, after a moment's thought, and Dorothy said, old Eve has told me that the witches were all dead years and years ago. Then Dorothy said that my aunt said to me the witches had dead year and year ago. Who is Aunt Em? Required the little old man. The old woman asked, who is this aunt? She is my aunt who live in Kansas, where I came from. I don't know where Kansas is, for I have never heard that country mentioned before. Then this old woman said that, the Kansas. Kansas means I don't hear till now. Oh, that's a place. That's my aunt is living in Kansas. Dorothy said, I have coming from that place. Oh, then the old woman said that, oh, I didn't hear till now this place. Okay. Then take page number 96. Okay, but tell me, is it civilized country? Oh yes, replied Dorothy. Then that accounts for it. In the civilized countries, I believe there are no witches left, nor wizard, nor sorceress, nor magician. But you see, the land of Oz has never been civilized, for we are cut off from all the rest of the world. Therefore, we still have witches and wizards amongst us. Then asked her Dorothy that it is civilized country. I said, yes, civilized country. Then that country is for it, the civilized country. I believe there are no witches left. I believe that there is no witches. No. Then the old woman said that I think there is no witches. So you are said like this. Witches had gone years ago. Who are the wizard? Asked Dorothy. Oh, himself, it is the great wizard, answered the witch. Which said that, who is wizard? Wizard means great wizard himself. He is more powerful than all the rest of us together. He lives in the city of emeralds, the most powerful one. Then lived in Emerald. Dorothy was going to ask another question, but just then the Munchkins, who had been standing silently by, giving a loud shout and pointed to the corner of the house where the wicked witch had been lying. Then he is going to ask Dorothy to ask him some questions. At the time, the pupil, the Munchkins, the pupil of the people who lived in this land, then replied that what? Who had been standing silent, but just the Munchkins who had been standing there silently. They are standing. The old woman is communicating, but other 3 men are there. They are standing silently there. They said that, gave a loud shout and pointed to the corner of the house where the big witch had been lying. Where is the big witch is lying? They want to see. What is it? Asked the little old woman, and looked and began to laugh. The feet of the dead witch had disappeared entirely, and nothing was left but the silver shoes. Then, when they looked there is no feet. There are only silver shoes. That feet is disappeared from that corner. Then she was so old, explained with the witch of the north, that she dried up quickly in the sun. That is the end of her. But the silver shoes are yours. She reached down and picked up the shoes, and after shaking the dust out of them, handed them to Dorothy. Then these shoes is really Dorothy's. Then that take and cleaned and give to her. The witch of the east was proud of those silver shoes, said one of the maidens, and there is some charm connected with them, but what it is we never knew. Dorothy carried the shoes into the house, carried the shoes into the house and placed them on the table. Then she came out again to the Matkins and said, I am anxious to get back to my aunt and uncle, for I am sure they will worry about me. Can you help me find my way? Then Dorothy carry these shoes and put in the table and come out again and tell to these Matchkins that can you help me to go back into my aunt and my family members. They will be well afraid about me. Can you help me? Then the Matchkins and the witch first looked at one another and then at Dorothy and then shook their heads. At the east, not far from here, said one, there is a great desert and none could live to cross it. There is a desert. It is very difficult to go back there. The one and another said. It is the same at the south, said another, for I have been there and seen it. I am told, I said the third man, that it is the same at the west, and that country where the Winkies live is ruled by the witch of the west, who would make you her slave if you passed her way. If you go there to this way, there is a cruel ruler is there. That is here Winkies. He will slave you. He will caught you as a slave of her, of the ruler. The north is my home, said the old lady, and at its edge is the same great desert that surrounds these lands of Oz. I am afraid, my dear, you will have to live with us. Dorothy began to sob at this, for she felt lonely among all these strange people. Her tears seemed to grieve. Grief means unhappy. The kind-hearted Matchkins, for they immediately took out their handkerchief and began to weep also. As for the title old, then he afraid. He said, requested that you just live with me. I am afraid. I am alone. Can you live with me? Then he is crying. They just take the kerchief and wipe it. As for the little old woman, she took off her cap while she counted 1, 2, 3 in a solemn voice. At once the cap changed to a slate on which was written in big white chalk mark. Like this, he turned. She counted 1, 2, 3 in a solemn. Solemn means what? In a serious. And after that, the cap changed to a slate. This cap changed. This cap taken 1, 2, 3. Then cap changed as a slate and written this. Let Dorothy go to the city of emeralds. The little old woman took the slate from her nose and having read the words on it, asked, is your name Dorothy, my dear? Your name is Dorothy, my dear? Yes. Yes, answered the child, looking up and drying her tears. Then you must go to the city of emeralds. Where is this city? Asked Dorothy. It is exactly in the center of the country and is ruled by Oz, the great wizard I told you of. Then the old woman said that you go to Emerald. Where is Emerald? Oh, Emerald is the center of the city, center of the country. There is a great wizard is ruling there. It's very beautiful place. Is he a good man? Inquired the girl anxiously. He asked him, he said, good man? Oh, he is a kind and gentle wizard. How can I get there? Asked Dorothy. You must walk. It is a long journey through a country that is sometimes pleasant and something dark and terrible. However, I will use all the magic art I know of to keep you from harm. Won't you go with me? Won't you go with me? Pleaded the girl, who had begun to look up upon the little old woman as her only friend. No, I can't do that, she replied, but I will give you my kiss, and no one will dare injure a person who has been kissed by a witch of the north. Then he requested that, can you come with me in the journey? Then the wizard or the witch said that, no, I can't. I will kiss you. When you get the north witch kiss, they will not be afraid. They will not get any injury in their life. She came close to Dorothy and kissed her, gentled on the forehead where her lips touched the girl. They left a round shining mark. The road to the city of emeralds is paved with yellow bricks, said the witch, so you cannot miss it. When you get to Oz, do not be afraid of him, but tell your story and ask him to help you. Goodbye, my dear. Then the witch kissed him. Witch of the north means is this old lady kissed him, and he said, you don't afraid, you just reached there in the land, in this Oz, you said to the ruler about your story. Okay, goodbye. The three munchkins bowed low to her and wished her a pleasant journey, after which they walked away through the tree. The witch gave Dorothy a friendly little nod, whirled around on her left wheel 3 times, and straightway disappeared, much to the surprise of little Toto, who barked after her loudly. Then these munchkins and this witch of north is going through this tree, and the witch Toto barking. This is the story about Dorothy and his life. I hope you get me. It's a very beautiful story about saints. Saints means witches. Then the story of Dorothy, who was faced, afraid, and amazed in his life. Okay. I hope you all get me. If you have any doubt, you can ask anywhere. You read more and more with understanding the meaning. Okay. Shall we wind up the class? Okay. Thank you.